I say. Well, woman, we know Wessy.
Yeah, good boy.
Stop you with a big piece of board.
Hold me with one long piece of board and bring me in the yard and bring me in the house and tell him to say story. Wessy, I am sorry, I never do it again. When me get up, people get in on my head, make me say them things. I am sorry. Good night, Mba.
Yo, hold on, Mike, don't know. Dog, don't when I move out the camera, make the camera see. Make it see this, no, make it see this. You go now? Mike, where you going with?
There, man.
John no star. It's like, the first time you found over here, how long ago was that? But sometime last year. Yeah, and you kind of did shy, but no, you know, mature, you know, look a bit. Yeah, you may like that though. Everything alright? Nah, yeah. You not hear me?
Eh?
You not hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me now?
Yeah.
No, I mean I say, the first time you found over here, I did last year. Remember the time?
Yeah.
And then time you kind of did shy, but no, you know, you grew up and mature, you know. Welcome again, though.
Yeah.
So, I ask you a question. How is the pandemic and lockdown treating you?
Wessy, have me over there long enough. Lock me up over there. How long?
Say my man lock you up over there. Alright, let me say to you now, Michael. Michael, you hear me?
Yeah.
First thing first, don't come on the live and tell a lie on Wessy.
No,
hold on. Listen. Don't come on the live. No, people, listen me carefully. Don't come on the live and tell a lie on Wessy or make people tell you things. You understand me? You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but me see a video drop say him not treat you right, and then after me see a next video drop say I lied him that tell. All that.
You know some day ago, me had when I woman grow him, hold me up with a piece of board and bring me in the yard and bring me in the house and tell me to apologize to you. I'm never the one say it in a lava.
Well, I do. So yeah, I say, well, woman, we know Wessy.
Yeah, good boy.
Stop you with a big piece of board.
Hold me with one long piece of board and bring me in the yard and bring me in the house and tell him to say story.
Hey, you listen to me, man. Ashensi attack and chat and laugh is not a safe place.
Yo.
I'm never the one say it, you know.
Yo, that was that. So, shall you the board?
No.
So, alright then, you walk go about. So what? You walk go about your waist. Explain to me what happened at the time.
Yeah, there go me yard. I'm yard there go.
Right.
Because a curfew come there go me yard.
Right.
And she hold me in one long piece of wood and bring me in the yard.
Oh, she hold it by your collar, hold it by your hand. Well, she hold it by your collar or she hold it by your hand or what? What she do?
Yeah, by my hand.
And walk in and say, and she body up.
Yeah.
How she talk to you?
Wicked too.
How she talk to you?
Hey boy, apologize to Wessy. I'm never the one say.
So when you say it, what happened after?
It they all over and then people start bash me now.
So basically they know that last video is a lie then. So you catch a free then?
Yeah.
Okay. And she have, say, okay. So it's a big board.
Yeah.
Okay. I continue then. So you make the apology and...
Right now. But right now, me at work.
Oh, you at work now?
Yeah.
So, I ask you a question.
Drywall work. Drywall work.
Oh, drywall. You must say to you. I'm going to say to you. You can't keep on a change IG page how much so much different time. So your IG page how much followers on it. Who have that page?
Manager, Wessy. I have the whole of them. Anytime when me I go show everywhere, Portland country, or when me I dance, I collect the whole of money. I'm not giving no money at all. And him say I look for my TRA, passport, age paper. I'm not look about them. I'm more come a foreign come meet you.
Jano Star. Jano to blood.
I have me over there all long. I'm can't come a road. If no one I'm going away, my boss.
But your star
Have me over there.
yeah, but your star still starting to really walk up and down still, you know, you understand me? But I understand
Yeah,
where you
I
come
understand, boss.
But him treat you good though. Even if you don't want you go now, him still treat you good.
No, indeed, my bad.
Beat you?
Not in the line, my bad.
Beat you?
No.
But you get good food for eat and him something though.
Yeah, him give me food feed though. Or otherwise, him not give me no money at all. And him not buy nothing for me. You see, thing them where you see me when me get a promotion and as me do and get them. I love
yeah.
My birthday no name quick. And me and him are roll from long time, you know. And him come take work from him. Me and my birthday me and my birthday quick. I do some work. You see it?
Yeah.
And him come take work from him. And when him take work from him say I look for something for me. I know him not do nothing for me. Lava. Not do nothing for me.
I said this to you already, I'm going to say it again. Hope you're not telling a lie upon the man and you're not nobody.
No, I'm not telling a lie. Not telling a lie.
Blood. That bad. No, take a bad hat and flash it here again. Take a bad hat. Put on bad hat. Put on bad hat. Put on bad hat. Yeah, and take it off and just flash it again. Hee-hoo.
Yeah, just a paint. I want them all stop.
No.
So when a woman back up with the board, you contact Wessy about that?
No.
You know the woman name back up with the board?
Yeah, she named Carol. She and her daughter.
You must sit here.
Yeah.
Hold on.
And
Hold on.
if a body a tease me on it.
I ask you a question.
You know?
Listen. You believe in a God?
Yeah.
You believe in a God?
Yeah.
You believe in a God, right?
Yeah.
Listen what I'm saying to you.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, don't look at nobody looking at the camera. Look at me. And don't look at nobody. Listen me carefully.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, if you tell these lies on people, you are going to hell. See the Bible here. And the woman back up with the board until you do that.
Yeah, love, I'm not saying a lie.
And the Bible here, I swear.
Yeah.
The woman when no Wessy back you up in the shell her daughter until if you apologize. I know.
Yeah.
So that was a big scam and a big lie to do for she became do for the world, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, people want to buy some more badge. Buy the badge them people. Buy the badges them. Buy the badge them people. Buy the badge them. God, this looks sticky in the night. Buy the badge them. Nearly 7,000 people over here. Buy the badge them people. Buy the badge them.
Everybody tease me on it.
Tease them over.
Oh, I am sorry. Everybody tease me on it.
What if I say I am sorry?
Yeah.
I said them call it say I am sorry.
Yeah.
Jamaicans, man. Good night, Wessy. Wessy. Wessy.
Lava.
Where you going? You hear me?
Yeah.
Say you going. You think alright?
If Michael spell money, they give him 100,000 now.
So all spellings come
I
here this
can't
now,
say
Wessy.
one
No, Wessy. All spellings come here this.
Because them are trying to put some, I show them some can go harder. And all of
No,
them
we're not
are
from the
done.
spellings like this.
Okay.
So I ask you a question
wait.
now.
Yeah.
Remember when I saw the video when him say some of the force him possess all these people in him head, remember? And Wessy ever treat him now, you remember?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, remember everything, Lava.
Alright then. So you never tell me say it's a woman force him with a big mouth to make that video there.
So, Lava, if a woman force him to do that video there, why am not come out and talk so people can know, say, yo, a woman force him to do that
Him a
video
talk, no, I'm asking a question. Did you know it's a woman force him or a lie? Oh, you know, or you get that video there. Oh, you get that video because you the blast.
Lava, the video that all over social media. The video that all about. Everybody have it. See?
Right.
And from this little boy, the day again, I don't see him all now till one party will keep on again with it. I just try to avoid it. I don't see him. I don't deal with him. I don't try to reach out to him. I just leave it alone. Because I have bigger things to deal with.
Alright then. Did they promise him about passport, TRN, such and such? You say you're going to deal with it?
No, I promise him about the passport. I don't promise him about TRN and NAS. When you look NAS and work, you go look. So the people that around him will tell him that. They must have
So, you promise him passport, or him never get the passport?
Lava, the place locked down, I'm here with the place open back for everything. The passport can do it anytime. The passport office, I don't think so.
Alright, next thing again now, him say when him work, you know, give him the money and the things, clothes him get, or him get off like a promotional video.
Lava, which time work to get money? Who keep the show? Who book him? Which time work? Who pay to come see him? And then look boy I got tax and fee money by my car. Where you get money from? Who book you?
No, we're not talking about no car. What about
that Lava. That him come.
No, him not mention that on the live.
Him mention
what about
the
this?
video where them tell me put up. When put up.
I'm a passport. I'm a TRN.
I don't want to talk to you because you don't have sense. I should even up on the live because you below my standard.
No, Wessy, that's all right.
Right.
No, Wessy, that sounds so Wessy. You know me rate, Wessy, that sound away there.
Yeah, I know you rate me, Lava, but them look at you that can't.
But that sound away, that sound away there.
And I'm me.
Don't sound away there, Wessy.
Make people know them look at you, Jack. Right?
Because people are say passport office never lock.
May I see you, Lava.
They might type on the wall say passport office never did lock during the times.
No.
Yeah.
And I tell you that. And I tell you that passport office never open the time, but passport at the least. Them thing at the least. That's, it can't mean a 1 day lava. If you pay, it can't mean a 1 day, 1 week, it depends on how you pay for it. That's at the least. But I wait till the place open back.
No, but so what? I'm asking a question again. How long ago, only come to chat and laugh? Remember the time you come to chat and laugh? The first time, how long ago was that?
About a year.
Long time that, you know. Right.
Yeah, about a year ago.
You couldn't get a passport?
What you say?
No, I couldn't get a passport.
Lava, I said the passport was the least of his problem. That can't mean a 1 day.
And the guy
The place lockdown can't stop me from getting a
What?
passport. We have bigger things
So
to
one
deal
team
with.
birth paper.
What you say?
One team birth paper.
When we that try to search him birth paper and grandmother tell me that she have it out of Mattis Lane. That's the reason why we stopped church. Because me and some people did the search to find it. Go the
Right,
hospital
but
when born, go get all the name. When that is not my work.
Yeah, that's your work, Wessy. That's your work.
I was doing it, Lava.
No, Wessy, don't say, listen. That is your work. You're a manager.
Yeah.
You have to make sure that all of that set. You get where I come from?
Listen,
When me, listen what I'm saying to you. When me manage mackerel, and mackerel deal a passport, I have to take up a ras, a man in the morning, or whatever, and call them and go sort out that. Come and make sure say them have the money, and make sure say they get up. And when them reach it, them have to come and say them dead, and all the procedure will go through. Me have to know everything will go through. So that's your work.
Yeah.
Your work, that bro. You get where I come from?
Yeah, Lava.
I'm gonna spend money to more.
Huh?
I'm gonna spend money to more.
What you say?
M-O-N-E-Y.
Yo, I get that. Be careful about that, be careful about that.
Lava.
Yo, I think I spill money. Yo,
Lava.
well, I know. Where's the Michael?
Lava.
Well, Michael,
Lava.
where's the Michael?
Eh?
Where's the can spell money?
Yeah.
Spell money like
M-O-N-E-Y.
yeah, I mean. Pussy clad, yeah. A man can spell money.
I'm not.
Bad for this. All I would have
he must say to know, Wessy. Question, one more question. The man said he don't want to free up him IG page.